Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Traefik-managed services with rollbacks, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from Traefik-managed services, begin by accessing your Traefik dashboard. Log in with your credentials to view the services currently managed by Traefik. Identify the specific service you wish to withdraw from. Once located, click on the service to open its detailed view. Next, review any configurations or dependencies linked to this service. Make a note of the current settings in case you need to roll back later. Now, navigate to the Settings menu for the selected service. Look for the option labeled Withdraw or Remove. Click on this option to initiate the withdrawal process. A confirmation dialog will appear to verify your action. Read through the information provided in the dialog carefully. If you are certain, confirm the withdrawal by clicking Yes or Confirm. After the withdrawal process is complete, monitor any immediate impacts on your application. To ensure a smooth transition, check the status of other interdependent services. If necessary, perform a rollback to restore any critical functionality. To do a rollback, access the historical settings of your service. Select the previous configuration you wish to revert to. Then, apply the chosen settings to reinstate the service. Finally, verify that the rollback was successful by testing the service functionality. Now, you have successfully withdrawn from Traefik-managed services with the option for rollbacks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.